Okay, this is Joe, and he's like amazing at the Rubik's Cube. Right, Joe?
Oh yeah, definitely.
Okay, let's see it, Joe. Go.
I suck at this crap, dude.
Just do it.
I can't.
Joe, people want to see it done. Just do it.
I can't though.
You liar. Joe, you what you said?
No. No.
Come on, Joe. Come on, Joe.
I just can't do it.
This has to be 66 million views, okay? There is nothing so amazing about this. Joseph, this makes no sense.
I can't do it, Pete.
You telling me you give up?
I give up, yes.
Joseph, you do not give up.
What kind of camera is that anyways?
What? We do not need to talk about that right now.
Yes, I do. I'm a nerd. I need to talk about that crap.
Oh, it's a Canon. Look. I don't know what kind. It's like a cyber shot or something.
Power shot.
Oh, yeah. Okay. What the one with your shirt over?
What?
The one with the smiley face, you know, with the dog?
I'm a smiley face with a dog, damn it.
For her?
Yes.
Yeah. So, let's just get the cube done.
I can't do it. You're the Asian one. You do it. Okay. This is insane.
Oh, wait a second. Ah, wait. Wait for me, Mom.
I'm coming. Let's zoom up.
Shut up, I'm doing this. I'm just kidding, there was nobody there.
Crazy shizneza right here, dudes. And
yes.
dudettes.
Wait, what color is white? Shut up,
He's
I'm
not
coming.
even looking and he's still doing it.
I'm coming! Wait a second, Mom. Just wait like 5 more seconds, Mom. Just wait, Mom. I said wait! No, we're going to McDonald's anyway, no matter I feel it or not. But you promised me a Big Mac. Yes, you said to yourself this morning, Mom. I swear to God, I have it on tape. I swear to God. You said extra fast too. Yes, large drinks, you said that also. Alright. Mom, I'm coming!